it.
Don't chase, boy.
Don't chase, boy.
That slow ass Charger. Spin that bitch.
Go home, rookie.
Oh. Y'all like up this video? I go give me some Hellcat rims. No kizzy.
She moved OT trying to reset her mileage. She got good.
On my camera lens, bro. I ain't got shit to wipe it off. I ain't got no index, but we finna basically pull up to this car meet, man. And I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how many cars share shit. This shit far as hell. Shit, but it's content for y'all, so we might have to go ahead and get a little content if we can. All right, so the meet got shut down. You feel me? I didn't even get to record nothing for real. Shit. But I said we got my man's Oli and shit and Cam and shit. We with them tonight and shit for real and shit. We gonna be out for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Now I gotta get up at 5 in the morning type shit, but shit, grind don't stop type shit, you know what I'm saying? We'll get a little footage or some shit. But that's alright, man. Right now, we supposed to be at this car meet, but everybody left and shit. They say nothing like for real. They talked about this earlier, but I ain't know everybody was going, so. I don't know why my camera's so damn bright. But yeah, man. So. We finna pull up in the parking lot in like 3 minutes. So I guess we'll see you get here. If it's content, it's content. Y'all won't see this video. No kids.
Tell everybody. Pontiac Trail and Beck Road, Vince Cuts Barbershop is about to open up in a week. Tell all your friends, I got you. Beer lineups, we got you. Skin face, we got you.
All right, man.
My boy right here is about to get a free cut when he walks in. You're gonna see.
No kids.
You see the results, man.
They swear they gotta come cmblilfraent and shit for real. Like, ooh, shit, like, what, cause you all this shit for real. They swear they had to do the CB and shit. This nigga Rod not even paying attention. They cut that boost up for real. Type shit. Nah, I'm saying we at the car meet, dog. Got my son looking ugly as hell and shit. Like, I don't know what the fuck he wearing. He come out the house look like a granddaddy and shit. Like, who shit? This nigga swear he got fucking drip on. Like, nigga, you poor as hell. Like, nigga, you them not Burberry shit. Them not Gucci, nigga. Them Fucci and shit, nigga. That's green and shit. For
he's Fucci, but you get no coochie and shit.
Bro, you look so cross-eyed. Who shit? They got another 6-way here trying to stuck with Ron and shit. Like, where the fuck Ron at? Like, this shit.
No, really, hey, Ron really thought he was sweet coming out the crib. He got the bus on and shit. Like
who shit?
Snatching bitches off the
who shit? Nigga swear and shit. Nigga swear he got the black power. He said, he got black power. You can't snatch it off and shit. For real. I'm looking at 6'1" and shit. For real. I'm the king of 6'1" and shit. Right? Huh? Hey, bro, he might as well let me get hit. He might as well let me get hit 6'1" out this bitch for real, so I can get my shit back up running. Ain't that right? Huh? On a car? I give him $3,500 for the motor. For real. 35. This bitch better be running right though. These niggas looking at Beamers and shit like. But look at the Beamer head and shit like, oh my god, it's a Beamer and shit. Yeah. Ugly ass.
Intercooler, exhaust.
Yeah, but like,
oh my.
But like, what he got done to it?
What do you mean? I just told you.
No, the whole thing, like what he got done to it.
I straight up just told you. What do you mean? It's full multi.
No, like the whole car and everything. Like, what you got done to it? Like,
no, you blown as hell. I can't run everything for everyone.
This nigga blown his car. No, I'm trying to figure out what you got done to it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking to you now. I'm about to whip out my dick if you don't stop talking. What? What the f?
Holy shit, where you come from? Pranking everybody in this fucking car meet. You ready?
Type shit. My nigga life with Corey and shit for real. For real, what you doing in Michigan though? Type shit. Type dog. He got the green. Oh god, he got the green under that bitch and everything.
Like stars in that bitch.
Stunting on y'all and shit. This nigga right here is stunting on y'all. His shit hard as fuck for real.
Alright.
Nigga, that color and shit. Bro, we don't want to see none of this right here and shit. This right here gotta go. I know you hear me. When I talk, listen to shit for real. Come here, son. You about to go and punish me and shit.
No.
You gonna do what that I say and shit. For real. Oh, look at that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that bitch hard.
This bitch slow as hell and shit, for real. This bitch a V6, gang. Bitch 3.6. You switch the numbers around. The fuck?
The car cut off by itself.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It's Diamond sleep. You turned off the car? Oh, she turned it off. She turned it off. Damn, he stunned on your ass. It's her shit.
Go home right now.
What's wrong with shit?
That's not a V8. That's not an AMG. That's a fucking C300.
That's
like having a V6 Charger with SRT body.
that's what you got.
I bet he got slow.
What motor in there and shit?
It's a V6.
So it's a 3.6 like yours shit. Type shit. This bitch ugly. I ain't gonna lie. I don't fuck with Porsches. That bitch look weak.
The rims is on that car.
Look at the car. Look how small the car is. Nigga, what you mean? Like slow ass bitch. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch slow as hell. What the fuck is this?
When that person walk through.
Fuck on shit. Hey, insurance claim. Insurance claim and shit for real. Like bitch.
Yank that bitch and shit for real.
Yank that bitch for real. Dude, he is not CMB no more and shit. He trying to play with the gears. You heard him?
I thought he was gonna do that.
Like nigga, your shit is not verbal and shit.
Alright,
Hold on, I gotta adjust my settings to get
fast like mirror shit.
Type shit.
This is straight. No, your shit be too light.
Yeah, but like I don't know how to fix that. That's why I need.
Alright, we at this car meet in Wall Lake, Michigan.
Nigga, look how you holding it, nigga.
You wanna be like these?
Wall Lake and shit. Like
We got my nigga. State your first name and last name, nigga.
Follow me, Brick.keys on Instagram.
Brick.keys. Brick got no keys at Instagram.
Y'all niggas broke as shit.
Chevys and Mopars.
Oh shit. give my shit back and shit. No more and shit. Mopar on. Sorry, no. Bye, but shit. We at the big car meet and shit. Gotta get y'all some car meet content. We walking around and shit. Show y'all what's up in here and shit. Got fast things and shit. For real. Oh, that's the slow thing. I don't know why I looked over there. Huh? That bitch, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch pro charge and shit. That bitch could get a pass. What's all through here? Oh, that bitch hard right there. Like for real. Look at that yellow on that bitch. Whew, shit. That's the thing y'all talk about. Hey, turn that shit off for real. What the fuck is an M4 like? Come. You in this M4 shit, like we don't do that shit.
Show them the best car over here.
I swear they gotta pick their cars and shit, like CMB got the best car for real. Like,
Chevy power.
nigga, fuck Chevy power for real. It's like, no. Look at this weak ass Chevy shit and shit. This what you get if you want Chevy
cars.
Like, oh shit. That bitch ain't leaving no track car with no Brembos in that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. This shit leaving everybody's shit right here. Y'all see that bitch? That bitch leaving everybody's shit for real. Say you gotta pay for what? What you say?
A sip.
He say you gotta pay for a sip and shit. Like
$5 a sip.
Nigga, that's get. I'm throwing nasty ass on. That's how you keep that shit to yourself.
Take your black ass back to 7 Mile shit.
Nigga, I'm not from 7 Mile. I'm from 5 Mile and shit. Don't get it 5 Mile in Beach Daily? No, 5 Mile in Finkel and shit. Like, no, I said 5 Mile in Finkel. 5 Mile in Sorrento is for I'm really laying like that.
No, you from 7 Mile. You from 1. No, how your address started?
Man, sit your dumb ass down and shit.
Now he say he's
650.
Nigga, why you say every Beamer and shit like, oh shit, oh shit.
Don't chase boys.
Don't chase boys. He running? He ain't laying like that. He not on that Detroit shit. Like he just took off.
Where the scat at?
Oh, this bitch all the way over there and shit. He ain't laying like that. He not on the Detroit shit. I'm sorry.
I wouldn't have stopped.
Nigga, I would kept going shit.
You wouldn't have. You would have stopped like a good boy.
I'm a bad boy. Bro, they had me fucked up earlier talking about impeded traffic.
Who said it? You got pulled over earlier?
Yeah.
That's what you get.
Niggas is lame. He about to
Police right there. He gonna
Hey, I'm about to call him like, this is your moment.
I'm buying. This your moment.
That nigga is not doing shit.
That bitch hard as hell.
That bitch, I ain't gonna lie. Nigga swear you fucked the old schools and shit ugly.
That's car.
You about to get that nigga to slide and shit out.
King is not laying like that and shit. I'm gonna get it on camera if he laying like that.
Come on.
Yes, sir. Shit, do that bit for real. Watch out. That bitch looks hard though. I ain't gonna lie a little bit. Can't answer. Oh my god. He gonna take off right after he get past the police. That shit weak as hell and shit. Like King.
That bitch right by the police.
Man though.
That bitch out there.
Type shit.
I'm minding that bitch corner curb and curb.
Nigga swear.
Not doing
King, if you see this video shit, that shit was ass as fuck. I'm disappointed in shit. Fly past this nigga for real. He swear he land like that. He said he on that in a 5-speed, 5.7. Shit like, yo, my nigga land like that. My nigga land like that for real. Y'all niggas not land like him and shit for real. Type shit. This nigga is so ugly and shit. Like, oh shit, my son kind of ugly, but so I mean I'm ugly too. So for real. Shit.
You like one of them fishes off of what's that show on Cartoon Network? The fish, the show.
What the fuck you think you look like if you my son? Me.
Not like that. I got my mama shit.
This nigga say he got it. Oh shit, what happened? Y'all lame as hell for real. Man, give me some good action and shit. What did he say? They say they didn't. They did. Oh. What the hell? Hey, get off of Brody for real. This nigga get out the car. They said they land like that. Bro, why do you pull in front of bro like that though? That bitch loud as hell. That bitch loud as fuck. They getting the wrong motherfucker. Shit. Oh my god. Oh. He did?
Yes.
Oh. Hell no. Oh my god. He just got out of jail type shit. Duh. Oh shit, this her bitch hard as shit for real. Oh shit. Bro, I thought he stole this shit. No. I gotta stop saying that. Donut for real.
Oh shit.
Who you going after?
Go the opposite way, my nigga.
That slow ass Charger. Hey, spin that bitch.
Go home, rookie.
Oh. What's going on for real? We go to the crib for real? We on that? For real?
On that.
Nigga swear, nigga swear. Go ahead and shit spit flame. Dude, that shit sound crazy. For real.
Hey, do a burnout, you won't?
This nigga swear and shit.
Hey, slide that bitch out there.
This nigga died. Damn! That bitch loud as hell. Nah, police left niggas trying to get active and shit, type shit.
I think it's that time.
Man, trying to put on the balls and shit.
Slide at this little
type shit.
Everybody's gotta go, like ASAP.
Alright, CMB gang and shit for real. Y'all see what got going on shit for real. My nigga around ugly ass and shit for real. Ugly ass. Nigga, why you wanna wait till the... Oh, I thought you trying to get a thumbnail. Like, nigga, you wait till the shit on. But my boy Ron, look at his five spokes. These fellas finna go crazy on this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. He bought some 5 spokes, you feel me? Now see it. Know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all like up this video, I go give me some Hellcat rims. No kizzy. Bye. Shit, my boy Nick come crazy and shit. Shit, fuck. Shit. You say you get everybody shit. Nigga say he 8010 and shit today and shit. I said 8010 and shit. 8,000 horsepower 10 and shit. I mean, yeah, tight shit. Tight, hold on, shit.
That do it big and shit.
Nigga, I'm that.
Feel like now I got the balls and niggas gonna try to steal my shit.
Alright,
Shit, fuck. Bro, the calipers, oh my, bro, if he had his calipers painted, that shit will look 10 times harder, I swear to God.
Alright.
This nigga swear he working and shit. Shit, fuck, move nigga, for real, ugly ass. That garage, swear.
Next week and shit, for real.
Nigga, you swear, nigga, I'm not doing that.
My son got me next week.
You got me fucked up, this shit, for real, nigga, for real. You got phosphor, you do that shit yourself, for real, nigga. Yeah, man, look at the phosphors look busting and shit. Like I said, if y'all want me to throw some of these bitches on my whip or something, matter of fact, y'all want me to throw some on my whip and shit, like this video and shit, give me to like 3 million likes and shit, for real. Nah, so we get them bitches the same hour type shit. Ooh, shit, this nigga that dropped the damn tire and shit. Oh my God, this shit. It's straight though, ain't it? The tire is so fat, that's that real, sorry, no. Look at my son and shit, wanna be a good boy and shit. Look at him. Good boy, good boy. Clean, good boy and shit, for real. Boy, your big head ass, boy. Boy, your shit wet as hell, boy. Oily. Type shit. Nigga swear you got 5 spokes and shit, like.
This how it's going on, fuck.
Oh shit. Bro, Ron, don't ever get Ron shit. He don't know what the fuck he doing and shit.
Alright, he gonna put it on. I just put the lug nuts on. You feel me?
Look at this weak ass whip.
Damn.
I just want to lower that bitch. No, I been like that. I ain't got no screw.
The front looks straight though. I ain't gonna lie. But all the chargers and shit sit low in the front.
This side, the back, and not the front.
Makes sense. He the spring man.
Hey, spring man.
Nigga, do like a fucking spring man to your ass and shit. I mean, it's go all level without it. So like, it sit up on the tire. It looks sweeter if you just. Yeah, it looks sweeter if you just do the whole thing like king shit. You could lower it just an inch all the way around instead of like 2. Cause like an inch probably about this much. Just lower it an inch if you don't want to lower it too much. Cause you still better get in your driveway.
That boy look right now though.
Oh yeah, that bitch do look sweet. Yeah, them bitches make the car look way better.
Straight. I like how the front is straight.
Bro, straight, bro. The Chargers and shit, all of them like that. The cameras.
All right, I got you.
He his ass. What you is, nigga? He said,
What you doing so weird? Hey, look at this nigga head. Oh shit.
about to blast your ass.
This nigga's sweating on some tires and shit. I'm about to really get on your ass.
Pull up like this, nigga. You know how I see me get, nigga. Oh, do not play.
We get like that for real. Hard as fuck.
I know, nigga, for real.
No, nigga, not like that, nigga. That bitch really slow as hell for real.
We did a hood, nigga.
Bring that AMG out and walk in that bitch, nigga, for real. Fuck.
For real. Bring that slow bitch out. Bring that slow bitch, for real.
Yeah, you knew better to drive the fuel, nigga, for real. What?
Yeah.
You can't even beat
Hey, Ron, your boo texted you.
Hey, you can't even beat the fucking my nigga twin turbo fusion, nigga. Look, I got a fat ass turbo, no headlight, nigga.
You sound crazy.
Big ass intercooler.
Hey, don't be hitting my Fusion like that. Don't be hitting Tiffany like that, for real.
Alright, Tiffany, she's still nice. Hey, that shit look hard though. Y'all broke his strap. Look.
Hey, bag away from the big cat and shit, for real. You too close and shit. You too close, for real.
My shit like
my neighbor, bro. Damn.
This nigga crackhead, though. Shit.
Ooh, shot playing.
Bro, oh my God. Hey, look at this bitch rocking. Boy, calm down, boy.
Oh, you want your rims on so bad, like.
Bro, this nigga is too crazy. This bitch hard as hell and shit. Huh? At the top, right? Look at that bitch, hard as fuck. Like, shit. For real. This nigga ugly. These niggas. Oh shit. Look at that bitch. That bitch looks so hard, dog. Look, y'all. Let me know in the comment section below, man. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all like this. Y'all fuck with this bitch. Let me know. Know what I'm saying? We go cops. Nah. Y'all see what the fuck got going on for real and shit. But that bitch look hard as hell. Like this video. Let me know if I should go cop some 5 spokes for my my Scatpack. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll sell my Scatpack around and shit. If you want to buy them, just hit me up and shit. But I gotta do the like it up first. You know what I'm saying? Like it up type shit. That bitch hard as hell though. Look at that bitch. Y'all niggas. Oh shit. That shit look hard as fuck off the yellow and shit. I don't think I seen a yellow one with 5 spokes. The bitch look hard as fuck. No kizzy.